Hello viewers, welcome to NRG Healthcare. I am Dr. Akila, diabetologist. In this video, we'll discuss about very common symptom which is burning feet. There are so many patients complain about burning feet, especially if they are diabetic, it is quite common. It's one of the common problem we come across in outpatient practice. So in this video, let's discuss about what are the reasons for burning feet and what you can do at home, what kind of tests are available for burning feet and treatment available for burning feet. Patients do complain about burning feet in different way. One, they just say it's a burning, or sometimes they say numbness in the feet or pain in the feet. Whenever the patient complains of pain in the feet, we have to be careful because even though the nerve problem is the most common problem for burning feet, sometimes the blood flow problem can affect the leg and cause burning feet. Especially patients complain of more symptoms while walking and it gets better while they are taking rest. Similarly, when they have a skin problem also, they complain of burning feet, especially the fungus infection in between the toe. So these are the different possible things like nerve problem or blood flow problem or skin problem that can cause burning feet. Let's concentrate on nerve problem that is causing burning feet problem. The reasons most common is diabetes, especially the poor control in diabetes or long duration of diabetes can cause burning feet problem. Similarly, thyroid problem, which is another common medical problem that can cause burning feet. Kidney problem can cause. Vitamin deficiency like vitamin B12, vitamin B6 deficiencies are more common to cause burning feet problem. These are the common and easy to treat problems also. It's better to seek for medical help so it can be treated at early stage. Alcohol intake can affect the nerves and cause burning feet. Similarly, some medications like cancer medication or TB medications can cause burning feet. Sometimes, rarely, it can be the only symptom of underlying cancer. So whenever you are having burning feet problem, if it is for longer period of time without any reason, we do check for any underlying cancer problem. Coming to what are the tests available for burning feet problem. As I discussed, vitamin deficiency, sugar, kidney problem are common things. So we do check complete blood count, which we say whether there is a hemoglobin deficiency or whether there is a possibility of vitamin problem. Sugar test, thyroid test and kidney test. These are the common tests done for burning feet problem. There are some specific tests available for nerve problem like nerve conduction study, which tells how exactly the nerve is functioning. And sometimes this nerve problem can be related to the problem which is arising from your lower back. Especially if you are having back pain or leg weakness, we do check for nerve problem in the back by doing scan. Others, as we discussed, we look at the skin and also the blood flow to the leg. During your consultation, first doctor will examine your feet for its color and whether there is any change in skin and whether they can feel the blood flow to the leg. Okay. So by doing all these assessment, we will come to an idea what exactly is causing your nerve problem. Next, coming to the treatment options. There are some treatment you can try at home, like because it's related to the nerve taking the impulse from your feet to the brain, and the brain recognize what kind of sensation you are having. For example, touch should be taken as a touch to the brain, but during the nerve damage, the touch sensation is taken as pain. Okay, so the brain recognize that sensation as pain and react to that. Okay. So there are some remedies like putting your leg in mild cold water, salted water can help. Adding little bit of vinegar to the water may help with symptoms. Especially applying plenty of moisturizing lotion is helpful for burning feet before you go to bed. There are some medicated ointments available to change the sensation in the feet. And there are a lot of medication available to treat nerve related pain and numbness, okay, which basically alter the impulses taken to the brain. And also finding out the reason what is causing the burning feet is very, very important. Treating it is very, very important. For example, getting your blood sugar under control and treating your thyroid status are important things. One thing I want to insist about the burning feet: if you have burning feet and if everything is been evaluated and found to have no major problem, relaxation is the main thing. Because to cope up with this long-term burning feet problem, you need to have relaxed mind, okay. And there are medication available. The medication won't work immediately, so you need to give some time for the medicine to act, okay. Some patients take 6 weeks to 2 months to show some improvement with the burning feet, so you have to be patient, okay. And there are several category of medications available. We can try one after the other, okay. The first thing is to rule out any serious problem that is causing burning feet. If it's been ruled out, you need to follow simple home remedies and also continue with the advice given by your doctor. Looking at the burning feet, it says the nerves are damaged in your feet. So you need to be careful about examining your feet. During the next video, I'll discuss how to examine your feet and also how to regulate your blood sugar to see a better improvement with your burning feet. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to NRG Healthcare. Like, share and comment. Thank you.